Okay, now we have to find del cross R. We know that if there is one vector, a vector given by ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and there is another vector v vector given by bx I cap by j cap and bz k cap, then a vector cross b vector is given by I cap, j cap, k cap. Please remember the order. Since in this a vector comes earlier than b vector, therefore the second row will represent the components of first vector. So it will be ax, ay, az. And the third row will represent the components of second vector. It will be bx, by, bz. So if you remember this, then you will be very easily seeing what will be the answer of this. So as per this formula, del cross R will have a determinant whose first row will be I cap, j cap, k cap. The second row will contain components of del vector, and we know that del vector is nothing but it is I cap curly upon curly x plus j cap curly upon curly y plus k cap curly upon curly z. So the components of del vector are curly upon curly x, curly upon curly y, curly upon curly z. Similarly, R vector, its components are x, y, and z. Let us expand it now. It will be I cap and it will become curly upon curly y, curly upon curly z, y, and z. So minus j cap, curly upon curly x, and curly upon curly z, and x and z, and plus k cap, it will be curly upon curly x and curly upon curly y and x y. Let us now expand it. It will be I cap, it will be curly of curly y of z minus curly of curly z of y. Kindly remember, order is very important. So we will, since in the statement del comes before R, so throughout these steps we will write components of del ahead of components of R. So the second part will be minus j cap. It will be curly of curly x of z minus curly of curly z of x. So third term will be k cap. It will be curly of curly x of y minus curly of curly y of x. Now see, this derivative is with respect to y, and it is a partial derivative. So when we are taking partial derivative with respect to y, we keep x and z constant, and this is z in fact. So this derivative will be 0. Similarly, this will be 0. Similarly, this will be 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. So as a result, our answer will give us del cross R vector is equal to 0. So this completes the problem related with the del vector.